Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another easy paneer recipe. These three types of paneer tikka is surely going to blow your mind as it's easy to make and delicious. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my recipe. Let's get started. Here in a mixie jar I've taken 1 cup of coriander leaves and half a cup of mint leaf, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 5 to 6 green chillies, juice of 1 lemon. I'll add a dash of water and I'm going to grind it into a fine paste. So I've taken 150 grams of paneer cubes here. I'm going to add in salt and pepper to taste. Now in this paste which we have made, I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mixing it well. I'll add it to my paneer cubes and mix it well with the coriander and mint paste. I'll cover and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now in another bowl, I've taken 1 cup of yogurt. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1/4 cup of basan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Salt according to your taste and pepper according to your taste. I've added roughly 1 teaspoon here. 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, and I'm going to mix it well into a smooth paste. Now I'm adding in 150 grams of paneer cubes and I'll mix it well with my marinade here. I'll cover and refrigerate it for another 30 minutes. So in another bowl here, I'm adding half a cup of yogurt and half a cup of fresh cream. I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, salt to taste. I'm going to mix it until it is nice and well incorporated. Now I'm adding in 150 grams of paneer cubes. I'm going to mix it well along with the marinade. I'll cover and refrigerate for 30 minutes. So here in a bowl, I'm adding juice of 2 lemons, 3 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, and you have to stir it until it lightens up. So this is a different marinade and it will give a different flavor when we are making the tikkas. So I'm adding in the vegetables, 1 cup of diced green bell peppers, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, and 1 cup of diced onions. I've cut them into quarters. So this marinade is different than our other marinade and it will give a nice flavor which will be different. I'm going to cover it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. So now we'll assemble our tikkas. So these are bamboo skewers which I have soaked in water for at least an hour. So I'm going to now assemble it. So first I've put in the diced bell pepper, then the diced onion, and then the diced tomato, and then I've added in the paneer piece. So you can do it however you want. This is what I prefer. I like the green bell pepper to be down. You can also take a little bit of the marinade and dab it on the paneer. So we are done. Similarly, I'm going to make all my other tikkas. Please remember to soak your bamboo skewers beforehand, otherwise it might burn when we are cooking. So when we are cooking the paneer, if you feel that the marinade is oozing out in the oil, that's absolutely fine. Later on, when we'll char it, we can use a little bit of the marinade and dab it on the paneer, and it will give much more flavor. And the paneer is already marinated for 30 minutes, so it has already sucked in a lot of the marinade juices. As you can see here, everything is well assembled. Similarly, I'll do the other one. We are done. Now in a pan here, I have taken 1 tablespoon oil. I'm going to fry the paneer skewers for 2 minutes on each side. Like I told you earlier, it's absolutely okay if it oozes out some of the marinade. We will anyways, in the charring process, going to dab in some more. So it will take roughly 2 minutes. I've kept the gas on medium, don't keep it on too high. As you can see, it's becoming nice and golden brown. That's exactly what we want. Now as you can see, I'm charring it here. I've dabbed in some of the marinade, and now I'm charring it on the flame. Flame is on high. You have to make sure you get the black edges. Now I'll smoke it. This is optional, but this will give a really nice flavor to your dish. So I've taken hot charcoal. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 green cardamom, and 3 cloves. As it smokes, I will cover it. This is an optional process, but this will give a really nice flavor and that smokiness to your paneer tikkas. That's it, we are done. So if you like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how it turned out, and if you want to see more of my videos, it is right on the screen. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.